Hey guys, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would go over the 5 palettes I have in my collection that I consider to be heavily pink palettes. They've got a lot of pink in them. Pink is one of my colors. I do like to wear pink on my eyes. And so those rosy tones are my favorite. So I have a lot of palettes that have rosy tones in them, but these 5 are really rosy toned pink heavy palettes. So I thought we would just go over them. I just show you what I got in honor of Barbie, because the Barbie movie is coming out. So first I have a little palette from Luxe Beauty. I love this brand. It's an independent brand, but they make this palette. I'm taking the little, there is a plastic disc off of this special shade. So let's swatch it. Look at that. I'll swatch it right here. Look at that. Is that not, it's beautiful. It's just a beautiful, it's multi-chrome. I see a lot of lime green in it, silver, even a little gold, and the pink. It's just beautiful. So put that back on top, and I'll go ahead and what is that color called? Whoa, that popped out. That color is called Bubbly, and then put that back. It's very delicate, and then this is Animated. So let's swatch Animated. That's not so pink. It's got, oh yeah, look at that foil. Can you see? It is pink. That pink foil. I need to use this more often. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. So that's the first palette I'm going to show you. The second is my Melt Cosmetics Millennial Pinks palette. I know a lot of people don't like this palette. I do. I mean, I'm okay with it. Is it the best performing palette? No, it's not. But I can make it work, and I like it. So, over here is not pink, but look at that. Those pink shades. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. So, I'm going to swatch a couple. I'm going to swatch Mixed Emotions. I'm getting shiny all over. There's Mixed Emotions. It's in the middle here. Grab my wipe. So there. Yeah, my Millennial Pinks palette is next. Next, Naked Cherry. There are plums and purples in here, but to me it's a pinky palette. It's a pink shade palette. So I'm going to go with, let's swatch a matte. Let's go with Juicy. Now that's got a little warm tone pink there. So that is my Naked Cherry palette. Next is the Suva palette in the Rose Period. And then this one, look at here, all these nice pinks over here. I'm going to swatch Harlequin. I'm swatching a lot of shimmers. This is so pretty. That's like a baby pink shimmer. There we go. That is so pretty. And then last in my collection, pink, is Jeffree Star, the Pink Religion palette. This is what I have on my eyes right now. I'm going to, look at there. Now there is some orange, there is some purple, but this is a pink palette, definitely. I'm going to swatch Princess Crown. I think that is my favorite shade in here. It looks white until you swatch it. Let's see. Where do I want to swatch it? Let's put it right here. You see that? Right there. Beautiful, beautiful. And let's watch Prom Night, because that Prom Night is pink. There we go. Love it. I have the pink on my eyes today. If you want to see this look, I put it up yesterday, so you can go take a look at it. It is very pink and probably a little bit out of my wheelhouse. I would probably, when I wear pinks, mix them with some neutrals and the pink be the pop-up color. But not bad. I like it. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is just a fun little video. I just wanted to go through and see what palettes I have that are primarily pink. And I just wanted to share them with you. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.